Get started on the YouTube camera. Today is July 18, 1536, 2021. Gonna unbox a Toshiba RT-S85T. Okay. Alright, so last time I tried this with some background music, and I'll try it again but not have it quite so loud. So let's play on that. It should be plenty loud. And that's all. Well, just set it down here, that's good. Alright, so now I've got that. Got this, got a tape, I got scissors, got the box. Here's the box. It's pretty big, right? And doesn't shake or anything. And I'll sit down on this thing. Alright. I can see myself in that camera over there. Okay. I could open it from the other end, but that's, anyway, this is the bottom of the box, so. And one more time, just, yeah, there it is. Okay, so it's a big box. And according to the listing, it should all totally work. Alright? One more box to undo. So that's not nifty. So here it is. That was went quickly. All right. Yeah, I'm trying to save the packaging, that's why it's taking a little extra time here. I can always reuse this stuff. That's pretty clean. Here's the seam I'm looking for. Wow, that was like practically new. Oh yeah, it is very clean. Well, let's see what we got in the battery compartment. We have a power cord in there. Oh yeah. Those are rusted. But I can unrust those. So I've got a great. I actually use their power cord, I think. Where's the power in? According to the listing, the radio all works and the tape deck supposedly all works as well. This is, I think, bass, treble, balance, volume. This is going to be normal chrome and metal tape. This is going to be mono, stereo, and stereo wide. This will be off. This will be radio and then line in. This is AM and FM. This is a mixing mic. This is a mixing headphone. I mean a mixing microphone. So it's got a switch. You can't hear it. And that's headphone jack. Tuning knob, AM and FM. And it's got your multiple time music quick jumping selector, time count editor thing. So one of these will be the editor button, these two will be the selector buttons. That, and then of course you got your eject, very nice, okay. Password rewind, all that. And then here we've got, it's got a DC input, AC input. It's not world selectable, so it says in the back it's 100 volts. Oh, that's fine, all right. Okay, so it's got these are your speaker outputs. These are external microphones. One is line in, and the other one is line out. Don't know which. Figure that out later when I need to be concerned about it. And it's got a complete antenna, which snicks in place. Hopefully you can hear that. All right. Okay. So could be, and then of course it comes out easily. Very good. Alright, so without further ado, let's plug it into my power supply. Okay, and let me turn off this tape that I'm playing. Stop. Eject. Do that. And put that here. Unplug that. Put this in here. Add on. Hit that button. So we should have AC. Okay. Then flip this to radio. On FM, so. Think I found my way home. I can listen to my heart. I can listen to the
la cherry limeade, también la limonada.
Well, I'm here about the tape deck, so let's see if the tape deck works. All right. Oh yeah, it rewinds, fast forwards, whoops, and it plays. Got good torque on that. Let's put my tape in, which is Google or YouTube audio music, which I can play freely without whatever, right? Goes in like that, hit that, hit play. Oh yeah. And that shut off. Why'd you do that? Doesn't matter. Don't know why it shut off. Didn't eat the tape. Okay. Shut off again. I have no clue. Let's see here. Which one's play this? Best music search should go for at least, well, there you go. And it's, oh, okay, well, it probably just needs to be cleaned, but I'm real happy with this. Oh yeah, so, well, I'll let you see the back of it, for those of you that can see the back of it. See, I can zoom in a bit. Oh yeah, there you go. That's what it is, okay? So, looks like that in the back. And works right out of the box. There's, what is this? It's the external speakers right there. And the line in for adding your phone or whatever to it. So, there are those things. Okay. Alright. Well, you probably just need to take this thing apart and clean it. Let's see here. There's, you know, let's see here, don't hit that button. There's the, yeah, there you go. So, there's the DC input and the AC input. And I'm just having too much fun here. Alright, so, well, that's too far. Let's come back in. Alright, so there's that. Like I said, here's the antenna, right? It, you know, goes right in place, comes out. It's a real nice radio here. The only thing bad about it for the average Joe is that it's all the instructions are in, you know, Chinese or Japanese or whatever. So no issues. I know what they all do. They probably need to be cleaned because anyway, very nice, very clean, practically scratch free. Yep. Okay. Thrilled with this one. Alright, well, I can't say no more. Just good day, bye-bye. Hope you enjoyed. I'm going to think about opening the remaining Sanyo. I'm still thinking about that, when to do it and all that, but I want to go check this out on the inside and so on and so forth. So good day, bye-bye. Thanks for watching. Hope you enjoyed. Bye-bye. Let's take a photo. Take a photo.